Are you stuck? Good morning from Corsica. It's 8 AM, a time that I am accustomed to complaining about how sweaty it is, and yet I'm still in my thermal. I was in my thick sleeping bag last night, so the weather has definitely changed. And autumn, I've ridden straight into autumn. I haven't seen a deciduous tree in a while, I guess. Today, very exciting news. I have a warm showers host, so I'm about to get a shower, maybe some laundry, some conversation. I'm looking forward to it. It's not on my route, but I'll come to that later. This is the new spiky thing I need to look out for. That's the dry version. And then when it's still on the plant, it's still quite spiky. They're a problem around here. Bonjour. So far so flat, but when I said this warm showers host wasn't on my way, it's actually up quite a sizable hill. I'm going to climb about 500 meters over the next 11 kilometers, but there's going to be a shower and a bed at the end of it, so I'm sure it's going to be worth it. It's never not been worth it to go out of my way for a warm showers host. I've only climbed about 100 meters so far. Now the real climbing begins. To be honest, this is really fine. If it stays at this sort of consistent 5% all the way, I'm laughing. I did much worse in Lipari and there wasn't even a shower and a bed at the end of it. I should say there's no onward route, so I'll have to return all the way back 11 kilometers, descend all the way to climb it all over again on a different road. But there's a bed and a shower, bed and a shower, bed and a shower. I was camped somewhere just along this edge of the lagoon here. Oh, I bet that's his village there. first mushroom of the year. People have warned me about Corsica, but I mustn't get complacent. I'm certain all the climbs won't be this gentle. I'm sure I'll have much tougher ahead. Or perhaps I'm just fitter now after Sicily has trained me. What is going on here? Well, I've been waiting a couple of hours and I just met the neighbours and I asked, oh, do you know where, I won't say their name, because the neighbour said, oh, that person was arrested this morning, so they're not coming. So I said, oh no, where am I going to stay? So apparently I can pitch my tent here. Guess I'm not getting my shower today, not to mention laundry, charging all my devices, having a conversation, sleeping in a bed, all the things. But there is a pool. As for dinner, at least I have the essentials: biscuits and wine. I think I said on the way up that it's never not been worth going out of my way for a warm shower toast. So here's to a lovely ride into the hills. What a strange first day in Corsica. Cheers.